Gibbs, and this is reassessment number 6, Rotational Dynamics. So, Dr. Allain, you have the question, and here's the CD in question and a CD player just turning, spinning, and just showing as an example. Now, first we got to convert the radians, convert 2 radians per second from the revolutions. And to do that, radians equals 480 revolutions per minute times 2 pi rads over 1 revolution times 1 minute over 60 seconds, or 480 times 2 pi and divided by 60. And we get 50.3 rads per second. Now, if the CD slows to rest, and then its final angular velocity should be 0. And what we know so far, we know that the original angular velocity is 50.3 rads per second, which we just converted. The final, of course, is 0, and the angular acceleration, since it's negative, is negative 4.50 rads per second squared. And we'll use the following equation: omega equals omega original plus alpha times time. And we solve for time, so it's going to be, omega final minus omega original over alpha, or 0 minus 50.3 rads per second divided by 4.5 rads per second squared, and that leaves us with about 11.2 seconds to come to a stop. Now, since angular acceleration is constant, the following equation is the best. Theta equals 1/2 times original omega plus final omega times time. And we'll solve B by finding the angular displacement of theta during the stopping time. So, we just plug and play again. So it's 1/2 times 50.3 plus 0 times 11.2, or 50.3 times 11.2 divided by 2. And we get 282 radians. Now we just have to convert that back to revolutions, and that's just using the same equation from the first thing we did, just in the opposite way. So you have radians equals revolutions per revolutions times 2 pi, and then converting over to revs, you get radians divided by 2 pi, or 282 rads divided by 2 pi, which equals about 45 revolutions. So it's going to turn 45 times in 11 seconds before it stops. So I'd say yes, it is time to get a replace your CD player if it takes more than 10 seconds, even not even 11 seconds to stop, and consider getting an iPod, because I mean, if you're wasting all that time with waiting it for it to stop turning, then you're going to lose more music in the long run. Thank you.